Woodpeckers' new SF Pro Universal Router Table Fence adds two highly useful features that our customers have asked for again and again. Built-in full fence micro adjustment and a clever mounting system that adapts to almost any router table. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and see how they're made. The aluminum micro-adjust modules are precision milled using the latest technology in CNC machining. Then, the aluminum handles and knobs are turned on our state-of-the-art CNC lathe. Meanwhile, across the shop, we're cutting out the micro-adjust sleds on our high-powered laser cutting system, before bending them into shape at one of our press brakes. Here, you can see the new base plates being milled from a sheet of phenolic material. Since the initial product launch, we've updated this design to accommodate even more router table systems, including edge rail style tables like JessEm and SawStop. And over in our laser department, you can see our micro adjust knobs receiving their precision scales. Once all the parts are finished, they head to our assembly department, where they're carefully assembled, packaged, and shipped directly to your shop. The SF Pro Universal is the easiest to use, most capable router fence we've ever made, and now it will fit on almost any router table on the market. Order yours today.